Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek file manager UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the component you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a container for our file manager component. We'll use a div with some margin and padding to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges. We'll also give it a light gray background. Next, let's round the corners of our container using the rounded LG class to give it a softer look. Adding a shadow class will give our container a subtle depth, making it stand out more. We'll now add a header inside our container. Using Flex, we can align the title and any future buttons horizontally. We'll also add a bottom border to separate it from the rest of the content. Let's add a button next to our title for adding new files. We'll use a blue background and white text to make it pop. Below the header, we'll set up a grid layout for our file items. This will allow us to display files in a neat, organized manner. Let's add our first file item. We'll use a placeholder image for the file thumbnail and a text label below it. Notice how we use hover, BG-Gray-200 to add a hover effect. We'll add another file item to our grid. This demonstrates how easily you can expand the component to include more files. Finally, let's add a third file item to complete our grid. Each file item is styled consistently for a uniform look. And there you have it! We've successfully built a file manager UI component using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use classes like Flex, Grid, and more to create a responsive and visually appealing design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video.